Vidushi Sangeeta Jagdeo, a distinguished, versatile artist, an Indian cultural vocalist, a musician, a choreographer, an Indian classical dance performer from Trinidad and Tobago, also specializing in the classical Kathak and Bharatanatyam tradition. Sangeeta Jagdeo is a third-generation descendant. She has dedicated her life in the propagation and preservation of authentic Bharatiya Sanskriti, Indian classical music and Indian culture locally and internationally through cultural diplomacy, education and performing arts. Sangeeta Jagdeo serves as the president and artistic director of Antarashtriya Sanskriti Sansthan, Pratishthan, the International Foundation for Cultural Relations of Trinidad and Tobago, which was founded in 1958 by her father, Guru Shri Devdutt Ramlagan Jagdeo, a recipient of the scholarship from ICCR Government of India. Sangeeta Jagdeo holds a prestigious Sangeet Visharad and Sangeet Alankar qualification in Indian classical music. Her extensive cultural, scholarly and artistic accomplishments reflect an enduring commitment to cultural excellence, educational leadership, and preservation of authentic Indian heritage within the Caribbean and the international community. Sangeeta Jagdeo will be performing a Geet, a song in tribute to the immortal relationship of both our countries, Bharat Desh, the Republic of India, and the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago.
Testing. The Honorable Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar Ji, Minister of External Affairs of the Republic of India, the Honorable Minister of Foreign and CARICOM Affairs of Trinidad and Tobago, the Honorable Speaker of the House of Representatives of Trinidad and Tobago, Mr. Jagdev Singh Ji, Honorable Government Ministers of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, Mrs. Kamala Prasad Bisasa, distinguished heads of regional and international organizations, esteemed leaders of our cultural and Indian diaspora organizations, representatives of the media from both Trinidad and Tobago and Bharat, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. ट्रिनिडाड और टोबैगो के अंतर्राष्ट्रीय संस्कृति प्रतिष्ठान के अध्यक्ष और कलात्मक निर्देशक के रूप में ट्रिनिडाड और टोबैगो गणराज्य में माननीय आदरणीय डॉक्टर श्री सुब्रमण्यम जयशंकर जी के स्वागत करना मेरे लिए अत्यंत सम्मान की बात है। माननीय विदेश मंत्री महोदय, भारत गणराज्य की सरकार, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के विशिष्ट नेतृत्व में ट्रिनिडाड और टोबैगो में आपका स्वागत, हार्दिक स्वागत है। एक ऐसा राष्ट्र जहां भारत के हृदय में राष्ट्रीय जीवन के धड़कन के साथ ताल मिलाता है। As the President and Artistic Director of the Antarashtriya Sanskriti Pratishthan of Trinidad and Tobago, it is my profound honor to welcome to the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago the Honorable Respected Dr. Shri Subramaniam Jayashankar Ji, Honorable Minister of External Affairs, Government of the Republic of India, under the distinguished leadership of the respected Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi Ji. Welcome to Trinidad and Tobago, a nation where the heart of India beats in synchrony and rhythm with the pulse of our national life. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Kindly request you to all of the standing ovation because this is a Vande Mataram national song. Please, I'm requesting for the standing. Yes, thank you so much.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Shitalam Shasya Shamalam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Shubhra Jyotsnam Pulkit Yamini Pull Kusumit Drumadal Shobhini Suhasini Sumadhur Bhashini Sukhadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Koti Koti Kantha Kal Kal Ninad Kar le Koti Koti Bhuje Dhrit Khar Karwale He bole ma tumi aabole Bahubal dharini namami tarini Vipudal varini Mataram Vande Mataram Tumi Vedya Tumi Dharma Tumi Hridi Tumi Marma Tvam hi prana sharire bahute tumi ma shakti hridaye tumi ma bhakti tomare pratima gode mandire mandire vande mataram त्वं हि दुर्गा दश प्रहर धारिणी कमला कमल दल विहारिणी वाणी विद्यादायिनी नमामि त्वां नमामि कमलां अमलां अतुलां सुजलां सुफलां मातरं वन्दे मातरं श्यामलां सरलां सुष्मितां भूषितां धरणीं भरणीं मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं भारत माता की ट्रिनिडाद टोबैगो और भारत माता की मित्रता अमर रहेंगे।